So why would I go with that's not even that good? Well, it goes back to the point I made earlier. These ratings are not equal across the board. There is a pretty big problem in the industry, both in terms of soundproofing and sound absorption measurements, where these labs measure different from each other, way too different from each other for comfort, to be honest. And as a result, it's pretty easy to game the system. So if you take a lab that has, let's say, a noise floor problem, and its construction is relatively old, and as a result, the walls are not all that soundproof, and then you do some testing with them, and you've got flanking problems, that's noise that's bypassing the wall basically, and you've got noise floor problems, and you're using the sort of traditional technique of measuring that these guys all use, what can happen is that if you just measure it 10 times, you'll see a 6-point difference between them potentially. In fact, I've been told that some of these labs have a margin of error of plus or minus 6 points, which is insane.